Chicken. My name is Chicken. My feathers are beautiful and colorful. I often look for food around my cough and turn back there to sleep. Let's talk about dog. I am a dog. I have four legs. I can protect my owners. House people often consider me as a lovely pet and a loyal parent. I also love children very much. Let's talk about monkey. My name is Monkey. I love climbing, so I often live and move on trees. My hand can hold everything easily. Banana is my favorite food. People say I am very smart. Butterfly. My name is Butterfly. I have a lot of colors. Are you know? I grew up from a larva. Now I use my wings to fly everywhere and enjoy the flowers. Honestly, I'm proud of my beauty. Bird. My name is Bird. I have two wings to fly. I can fly in the sky and see everything below. Besides, I can sing very well. My feathers are garish and smooth. I'm very happy to fly everywhere. My name is Buffalo. In the morning, I go to the field with farmers. Farmers are my friends. I love
Let's
them
talk
very
about
much.
pig.
My name is Pig. I live in a small factory. I like to eat and sleep every day. I'm very fit but cute. Especially I have got lovely pink skin. Let's talk about aunt. My name is Aunt. My body is very small. I do not live alone. I live with my family and my friends together. We always work hard